lovelies, welcome back to the channel. We are back today with another Spooky Box Club unboxing, and there's only one today. And this has all worked out quite well with timing because with only one box it could end up being a bit too short for a video, but I was talking to one of my lovely Patreon supporters on Discord the other day in our little Discord group chat because we have a section on there for like video requests and suggestions and whatnot. And they had mentioned that it might be good for like if I ever have just one spooky box to do like a spooky box and chill, so we can like unbox the spooky box and then also just chat and hang out. So I was thinking today we're gonna unbox this. I still have a bunch of stuff. I really need to tidy up this room because like quick break from the box. I promise we'll get right back to it. Because I've been traveling so much over the past couple of months, my office happens to have like the best mirror in the house, so it's like the room I've been using to try to figure out outfits. So I've been in here for months just in and out, like trying on things, throwing things off, trying on things, throwing things off, and as a result it just looks like a clothing factory exploded in here. It is an absolute mess, so I really need to tidy up. What was my point? I had a point. My brain is soup. Spooky boxes. I still have a bunch of stuff from the previous spooky boxes we've done recently in here. So my plan is we unbox this, we see what's in here, and then per Josephine back there is still incredibly naked after months. I was meant to get her a new outfit. I forgot to, and there she is, all naked and ashamed. So I was thinking after we unbox the spooky box, we can dress her up and maybe I can give her some of the accessories that we've got in these boxes recently. So that is the plan today. Gosh, I knew I'd get there eventually. So the theme today is Versailles vampires, which like, I'm curious, I'm interested, I'm pretty pumped. So we're just gonna get right into it. I am looking forward to this. Okay, so we don't need that. See, this is why this room's a mess. I almost started reading this. I don't want to spoil my surprises. We're gonna read this at the end. Let me set this aside. Silly me. Ooh, okay, let's see. Ooh, okay, so first of all, we're just gonna go right in with the candy of the month. And that is vegan Dracula tea. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, these look like they'd be so sour. Like, I picked this up and my saliva glands started to hurt just looking at it, but they do look good. Dracula tea. I can't be bothered eating this right now. Chewy things take me too long, but they do smell good. I've got a whole little pack of them. Ooh, these earrings, guys. Okay. Ooh, there's some pretty stuff in here. I just glanced down and saw a few more things. So, I don't know. Ooh, look at those. Let's like do a little. Ooh, those are cute. I am pretty pumped about these. These are really, really good. It's a shame Josephine can't wear earrings. Lovely. Okay, that's a very pretty design. Right, we're off to a good start. We have a fantastic pin. This like vampire lady bust. Isn't that gorgeous? I need to start wearing my pins. I need to start wearing my pins more, but I'm just also afraid of losing them. But look how cool. I really love this. I love like the blood like dripping down her mouth. I love like the flower in her hair and the little bat wings. I want hair like that. And the little like pointed ears. So cute. Right, let me see this necklace. We've got some sort of necklace that I am quite curious about. Oh, he's a little more plain than I thought, but he's still cute. Hold on, let me just take the protective bit off of it. I thought it was going to be like a similar sort of vibe to the earrings, which it isn't, but it is still cute. Hang on. Why can't I figure this out? So it is just a plain little bat necklace. It's just like a shiny black. Very, very pretty as well. I think I would have liked it more if it did match the vibe of the earrings a little more, if it's like a little more ornate, but it's still very, very cute. We love just anything with a good old bat on it is pretty much a win. And this is like a nice metal, it's not plastic. Nothing wrong with occasional plastic jewelry, but you know, it's nice to have some metal things. Okay, this intrigued me very much. So we have detachable royal ruffled lace sleeves, which I am liking the sound of. Cute. Okay, they don't go with this outfit, but I'm gonna pop them on for just a second. I might put them on Josephine though. Oh, those will go well with something for sure. I think I would like to have something. Oh, I love a good little like sleeve ruffle. That's so cute. I keep meaning to get something like this, but I never get around to it. And now I have some. That's so cute. I might put these on Josephine just like for now, like while I'm not using them until I need them for something. Those are adorable. Very, very nice indeed. Ooh, so there are two things left in the box. Oh, one of them I'm very fascinated by. So the first thing is this embroidered patch, and it's very pretty. It's got a little bat, it's got the flower, it's just like a little bat like clinging onto a bouquet of roses, and that's so cute. Oh, is there two? There is! There's a little bat face up here. So this one's climbing up and this one's like peeking out like, hey! That is so, so cute. I don't know what I'd put this on, but it's so pretty. It might sound like a pillow or something even. I was thinking of clothes, but you could even put it on like pillows and stuff. And it feels nice. I love embroidered stuff. And the last thing, so you guys know I love like little bags and pouches. That is just something that I get a lot of enjoyment out of. Look, it's a little like pouch. And the inside has spider webs. I nearly said bat webs. Spider webs. The little drawstrings are silver. The embroidery is silver. That's so pretty. What am I gonna put in here? I like always end up using all of my spooky box pouches for something. They're all just full of like knickknacks and things and stuff, and I very much enjoy it. So yeah, I need to find what I'm gonna put in here. So cute! You could like tie that onto like a belt and keep like, use it as like a little, like instead of a wallet. I don't know, but it's very cute. That was lovely. So we did get through that very fast, but let's have a look. So we have the Quicksilver Velvet Drawstring Evening Bag, yes. Custom made Princess, everything's custom made, except the detachable royal ruffled sleeves, I guess, but yeah. Princess Bat Bouquet Large Embroidered Patch, yes, we did get that. Vampire Queen Hard Enamel Pin, yes. Midnight Ball Bat Necklace, yes. Dark Palace Gate earrings, yes, those are gorgeous. The detachable royal ruffled lace sleeves, yes. And the Spooky Box Candy of the Month, yes, very good. I enjoyed that. So, what all are we gonna give Josephine? I need to find her like an actual outfit first. So, let me go do that. Okay, so, I had a little look. I just ran up the stairs, I'm out of breath. I found a few different options. I wasn't sure what to go for, but in the end, I've picked something because I think it is that kind of rough time of year when all the gothy spooky people start to kind of rebel against summer and we're like, no, Halloween is now. So I picked out this Halloween dress for Josephine. I think that'll be very cute on her. This is actually a lucky dress for me. I think like whenever I was doing my driving lessons, like one of the days where like the lesson went really, really, really well, I wore this dress. So then whenever I took my driving test, I'm not really superstitious, but every now and again, I'm just like, just in case. So whenever I took my driving test, I wore this dress again and I passed first time. So lucky dress. Josephine gets the lucky dress. Let's do that. Hello, Josephine. Ooh, this dress is a hell bunny one. That was more of a struggle than I expected it to be. So it's on now, but of course Josephine and I do not wear the same dress size. So I need to try to find a way to make it stay up where it needs to. Okay, we're off to a good start. Let's see. Let's get you propped up there. Josephine, you're heavy. She's looking at me like, bitch, you're one to talk. Put your legs back up so you don't fall. Oh, close your legs, Josephine. Have some dignity. Okay, next. Oh, I know what's next. Next, I'm gonna give her this like neck ruffle that we got a few boxes ago. I think that would be cute. Hey, it's nice to meet you. So what do you do for a living? Oh, you know, dress up skeletons on the internet. Just girly things. Okay, and then next, yes. Next we're gonna give her this. A bunch of people commented and said that this would be a good table runner. I was also thinking the same, but I don't really have a table that this would work on, so for now, Josephine's gonna wear it. How do you do a proper bow? It's like the opposite of what my instinct is. Do you know, actually, it doesn't need to be a bow, that's nice. I think we can see more of the design that way. Very nice. Very good, very nice. And ruffles. These are gonna be a pain in the ass to get on over Josephine's skeleton hat. Oh no, not so bad. Lovely. And we can just sort of... Oh, very nice. Wait, they are a little bit loose on her. Right there. Okay, what else? What else for Josephine? She is looking quite fetching. I don't know where her hat went, but I do know I have another hat, so... Oh yes, this will work nicely. I have this little pin. I think this is from the Cryptid box, and I think Josephine makes a pretty good harbinger, that I can't say that word, of doom. So we'll put that on the hat. Look how fancy Josephine looks! Let's get a peek at that outfit, shall we? She's a fancy lady! I think this is pretty successful. I think Josephine looks fantastic now. She was naked for too long, and now here she is, a glamorous lady with lots of good Spooky Box Club accessories. I think that's pretty cool, and this was pretty fun. Yay! I think this was a very successful mission. Very good indeed! Josephine is looking much better back there. I am satisfied. So I hope you enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun doing this. Thank you for the suggestion. It worked out great. What should we do next time? So before I go, if you could check out my Patreon, that would be amazing. I would love you forever and ever. The link is down below. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's a website that lets you tip your favorite creators each month for the content they make for you. It's totally optional, but super appreciated. Is the best way to support me and this channel and keep things going. And as I say, you can join our little Discord and have little chats with us. Very fun. Please leave me a little comment. Let me know what you thought. Let me know how you feel about Josephine's brand new outfit. I think it's pretty snazzy. Give the video a thumbs up. If you're new here, please do subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of the family. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.